Many artists struggle to maintain white areas in their paintings, leading to frustration and less striking results. This is especially true when working with watercolors, which can be notoriously unforgiving. I've experienced firsthand in my own journey by accidentally bleeding color into those delicate white spaces. It's a disappointment and regret that's hard to shake off. One wrong move and that beautiful white space is gone forever. It's a delicate dance, trying to achieve the perfect balance between color and negative space. Thanks to masking fluid, we have a way to take control of that process to ensure those highlights stay pristine and untouched until they're ready to reveal themselves. And that is where the magic happens, where the hard work and dedication come together to create something truly special. Masking fluid is a game changer, allowing you to achieve crisp, clean lines and preserve those delicate white spaces with ease. Whether you are a pro or just starting out, mastering masking fluid can take your artwork to new heights. As we work through this technique, I want you to remember that practice is key and don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it right. With practice and persistence, you'll be achieving stunning results in no time. One of the things I love about masking fluid is its versatility. It can be used to create delicate lace-like patterns or bold graphic designs. The possibilities are endless, and it's a technique that can be applied to a wide range of artistic styles and ideas. Mastering masking fluid can greatly enhance your watercolor skills and help you achieve beautiful, professional-looking results. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and stay in tune for more masking fluid ideas and projects.